Good morning, everyone. My name is Deborah Johnston from Invest Northern Ireland, and you're very welcome to today's webinar, Social Media Trends for Your Business in 2023. This webinar is part of our Practical Export Skills series and is delivered today by Declan Murtagh of Brilliant Red Digital. Declan is a digital consultant with Brilliant Red Digital. He is a social media specialist and speaker with over 10 years experience across a range of industry sectors. Declan has an extensive social media background, having delivered campaigns both client-side in senior marketing roles and agency-side in account management and project-based roles. After the presentation, there will be a Q&A session with Declan, and thank you to everyone who has already submitted a question. If you have a specific question now, or one that comes up during the presentation, please use the Questions tab on your webinar control panel to send it through to us. We are also recording this webinar and it will be available on the investni.com website. And we will email you with the details of when it becomes available online. It now gives me great pleasure to welcome our presenter today, Declan Murtagh from Brilliant Red Digital.